Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's have a look at another one. Grouping selectors. Let me create a couple of tags. H1, HTML, H2, Css, H3, Web Design, and save it. We see our title on our browser. Two of them is black and one of them is red, because we already added a style for H1 in our previous video, as you see here. Let's make it disabled for now. I just select and press Command and slash. That's all. If you use Windows computer, you just need to press Ctrl plus slash. Let's save it. We see the all changes. I'll add style for all of them at once. H1, H2, H3, then curly bracket, color purple, and save. You see the change, guys? It affects all H1, H2, H3 at once. We call it as a grouping selector. We use same method for ID selector. For example, let's put div ID first and first, div ID second. Let's save it. Let's assign type. I just need to put hashtag because we are dealing with ID first, second, and curly bracket, color red, and save. You see, guys, we changed color of them, just type in one single color style. We use same method for class as well. Let me show it to you guys. Let me copy that things for you. Let's say class and class, and let's save it. Let's assign same style, dot first and dot second. I put that because we are dealing with classes. Background, color, green, and save. You see change. So we call that things as a grouping selector. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.